A guiding light introducing Chogye Trichen Rinpoche. Chogye Trichen Rinpoche was not just a monk, he was a beacon of wisdom and compassion, illuminating the path for countless individuals seeking spiritual guidance. Chogye Trichen Rinpoche was a very special person. His presence exuded a serene calmness that touched the hearts of everyone he met. His gentle smile and kind eyes were a testament to his inner peace and profound understanding of life. He was a great teacher in Tibetan Buddhism. His teachings were not just about religious doctrines, but also about living a life filled with compassion, kindness, and wisdom. He had a unique ability to connect with people from all walks of life, making complex spiritual concepts accessible and relatable. He lived a long life, from 1919 to 2007. Throughout his life, he witnessed and adapted to many changes in the world, yet his teachings remained timeless and relevant. His journey was one of dedication, resilience, and unwavering faith. Rinpoche shared important teachings with the world. His words were a source of comfort and inspiration, guiding people towards a path of self-discovery and enlightenment. He emphasized the importance of inner peace and the power of compassion in transforming our lives and the world around us. He was known for his wisdom and kindness. These qualities were not just evident in his teachings, but also in his everyday interactions. He treated everyone with respect and love, embodying the very principles he taught. Rinpoche was a leader of the Sakya school. This is one of the main schools of Tibetan Buddhism, known for its rich traditions and profound teachings. Under his leadership, the Sakya school flourished, spreading its teachings far and wide. This is one of the main schools of Tibetan Buddhism. Rinpoche played a crucial role in preserving and promoting its teachings, ensuring that the wisdom of the Sakya tradition continued to inspire future generations. He helped people understand the Buddha's teachings. His ability to simplify complex concepts made the teachings accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or prior knowledge. He encouraged people to apply these teachings in their daily lives, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of Buddhism. He showed everyone how to live with more compassion and peace. His life was a living example of these principles, demonstrating that true happiness and fulfillment come from within. He inspired countless individuals to cultivate compassion and strive for inner peace. Rinpoche's teachings continue to inspire us. Even after his passing, his words and actions remain a guiding light for those seeking spiritual growth and understanding. His legacy lives on through the countless lives he touched and the wisdom he imparted. He taught us to look inside ourselves. He believed that true wisdom and peace come from within, and he encouraged everyone to embark on a journey of self-discovery. His teachings emphasized the importance of introspection and mindfulness in achieving a harmonious life. He showed us how to find peace and understanding. Through his guidance, many learned to navigate the challenges of life with grace and resilience. His teachings provided a roadmap to inner peace and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. His life is a true example of compassion and wisdom in action. Chogye Trichen Rinpoche's legacy is a testament to the transformative power of kindness, wisdom, and unwavering faith. His journey continues to inspire and guide us towards a more compassionate and peaceful world. The child of destiny, early life and recognition, Chogye Trichen Rinpoche was born in Tibet in 1919. His birth was not just an ordinary event, it was surrounded by an air of mystique and reverence. The villagers and monks alike felt a deep sense of anticipation and excitement. His birth was a special event. The entire village celebrated, knowing that a significant spiritual figure had arrived among them. The atmosphere was filled with joy and a sense of divine purpose. People knew he was a great Lama returning. This belief was rooted in the Tibetan tradition of recognizing reincarnated Lamas, who are thought to return to continue their spiritual work and guide their followers. This means he chose to be reborn to continue his spiritual work. The sunrise over the Tibetan mountains symbolized a new beginning, not just for Rinpoche, but for the entire community that awaited his teachings. From a young age, Rinpoche was very smart. His intelligence and curiosity were evident early on as he eagerly absorbed the knowledge around him. He learned quickly and loved to study. His passion for learning was not just about acquiring knowledge, but about understanding the deeper truths of life and spirituality. He was recognized as the reincarnation of a great teacher, This recognition was a significant moment, marking the beginning of his journey as a spiritual leader. This meant he had an important destiny. His path was set, and he was destined to make a profound impact on the spiritual landscape of Tibet and beyond. He was enthroned at Ngawang Evamchoden Monastery. This monastery, known for its rich history and spiritual significance, became the center of his early training. This is a very special place for learning. Rinpoche began his training here, surrounded by the wisdom and guidance of experienced monks and teachers. He studied with many wise teachers. These teachers imparted not just knowledge, but also the values and principles that would guide him throughout his life. He learned about meditation, philosophy, and rituals. These teachings were not just academic, they were practical lessons that shaped his character and prepared him for his future role as a spiritual leader. The Lodrö Master, a legacy of wisdom. As Rinpoche grew older, he became a master of the Lodrö teachings. The word Lodrö means the path and its fruit. These teachings are very profound. They help us understand the nature of reality. Rinpoche received the Lodrö teachings from renowned masters. He studied them deeply and mastered their essence. These teachings became central to his life and work. He could explain these complex teachings in a simple way. People felt inspired by his words. He had a special ability to connect with people's hearts. Guardian of the Sakya tradition. He faced this challenge with great courage and resilience. Section 6. Rebuilding and renewal, establishing the Dharma in a new land. When Rinpoche arrived in India, he knew he had important work to do. He wanted to help other Tibetans who were also in exile. He also wanted to preserve the precious Buddhist teachings. Rinpoche worked tirelessly to establish monasteries and centers in India. These places became new homes for the Dharma. They provided a safe and supportive environment for learning and practice. He founded Sakya College in Rajpur, India. This became a renowned center of learning. Here, monks and nuns could study Buddhist philosophy, meditation, and rituals. He was dedicated to ensuring the continuity of the teachings. Section 7. A beacon of unity, interfaith harmony, and compassion. Chogye Trichen Rinpoche was a strong advocate for peace and understanding. He believed in the importance of interfaith dialogue. He wanted people of all religions to respect each other. Rinpoche had a close relationship with the Dalai Lama. They shared a deep respect for each other's traditions. They often met to discuss important matters related to Tibet and Buddhism. He believed that all religions share the same goal. They all want to help people find happiness and peace. He promoted compassion and kindness as universal values. Section 8. The passing of a master, leaving an enduring legacy. In 2007, Chogye Trichen Rinpoche passed away peacefully. He was 88 years old. His passing was a great loss to the Buddhist community. However, his teachings continue to inspire us. Rinpoche touched the lives of countless people worldwide. He left behind a legacy of wisdom, compassion, and peace. His students carry on his work, sharing his teachings with new generations. His life reminds us that true happiness comes from inner peace. It shows us that compassion and kindness are the most important qualities we can cultivate. He continues to guide us on the path to enlightenment.